Dear ladies and gentlemen of the agricultural and farm machinery media, welcome to 500,000 CLAAS combines, our big jubilee in 2024. We are here at the CLAAS Museums Deposit, close to our headquarters in Hasewinkel, and today we want to set a new world record. Not in terms of throughput, not again, but let's find out if nearly 90 years of combine harvester product history and the heritage of 500,000 CLAAS combines fit into a 3-minute explanation. Here we go. Our first chapter started in 1936 with the MDB, the Mähdreschbinder. It was the first European combine harvester ever and introduced the era of pooled combine harvesters, which ended up with the GIGANT, the last trailed combine harvester made by CLAAS in the late 1970s. In between was the mega successful Super Series, which sold more than 65,000 units in total. And it was also a Super that became the first CLAAS combine harvester to make it to North America, back in 1952 for a Canadian customer. But let's go on. The SF, originally named Hercules, was the first self-propelled CLAAS combine harvester back in 1952. A few years later, the self-propelled combine harvester portfolio was accomplished with Europa and Columbus, two smaller models that sold a total number of more than 60,000 units. Finally, this era ended up with a truly giant Matador Gigant with an impressive cutter bow width of up to 6 meters. Wow! But that's not all. The Senator opened up a new chapter with a truly lean design, much more operator safety, and an optional cap. Many sonorous names such as Corsair, Comet, Consul, Cosmos and Compact followed over the years. And the color changed from silver and Austral green to seed green. Next, the age of Dominator. I'm sure all of you know the name, which became a synonym for combine harvesters in some regions of the world. The first Dominator generations, Dominator 80, 100, 85 and 105, were succeeded by the Dominator 6 and Dominator 8 series, also introducing the impressive Dominator CS and Commander CS with cylinder system, which later became the first CLAAS combines on rubber tracks. Imagine more than 50 years of Dominator heritage, more than 100,000 Dominator combine harvesters produced, with plenty of innovations such as 3D cleaning and auto contour. And we are not through yet. The Dominator success story continues. The Mega followed in 1993, offering up to 30% more throughput, enabled by the new APS threshing unit. The next level, LEXION. The 480 in 95-96 was the ultimate game changer. With a revolutionizing APS hybrid system, the active swiveling action spreaders, the new Vista cap with CBIS, yield mapping and so much more. 40 tons per hour in wheat and more, that was a league of its own. Its successors, LEXION 500 and 600, even touched the limits of 50 to 60 tons per hour. Remarkable. In 1997, we introduced the first Terra Truck versions. Thanks to its large footprint and the great ground adaptation, still the benchmark in terms of soil protection, and enabling the LEXION to drive 40 kph on roads. Since 2013, we shaped the industry with our CMOS systems, unique and still unmatched in terms of productivity and efficiency. LEXION 780 was the first. Nowadays, you get CMOS top-down from LEXION via Trion to Evion. Since 2014, we have our own factory in Gaomi, China, where we successfully produce the Dominator 260 and 370 for the domestic market and selected export countries, and of course the Evion. In the last 5 years, we have renewed our complete combine harvester portfolio. With 4 LEXION ranges, 3 Trion ranges, and the latest family member, the Evion, accomplished by ultra-modern cutter bar technology coming from Convio, Convio Flex, MaxFlex, Vario and others, we are proud to offer the widest and most diverse combine harvester portfolio in the market. And finally, this year we are celebrating 500,000 CLAAS combine harvesters in the market. And each of it was, and more than ever is today, more than a machine. What comes next? Wait for it. So that was a very short excursus through our combine harvester product history. I am not sure if I made it in 3 minutes. If I failed, it was worth trying and I had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it too. Keep well and see you soon. Bye bye.